Looking for the best Bosch saw for your next big project? Stick around. We've ranked the top models so you know exactly which one's worth your money. Starting at the bottom of our list is the Bosch CCS 180B. This little guy is light, compact, and super easy to handle. If you're a DIYer or just need a basic circular saw for quick cuts, it might seem like a no-brainer, but in a lineup full of powerhouses, it just can't keep up. It does offer a decent 2-inch cut capacity and bevels up to 50 degrees. Plus, the dust blower, electronic brake, and anti-snag lower guard are all handy additions for a clean, safe cutting experience. The best part, you won't break your back lugging it around. It's under 7 pounds. Now, here's the catch. This saw runs on a brushed motor, which means lower efficiency and less durability over time. It doesn't have variable speed, no LED light, no rafter hook. It's pretty bare bones compared to other Bosch models. And if you're using the latest Bosch batteries, you might even have to modify the housing. So who's this saw really for? If you're just starting out, working on light tasks, or need something inexpensive and simple, it does the job. But if you need more muscle, let's move on to our next pick. And by the way, links to all the saws in this review at the best available prices are in the video description. Next up, we've got the Bosch GKM 18V-20N. Now, this one's a specialty tool. It's made for cutting metal, and it does that job really well. If you're constantly working with conduit, threaded rods, or metal studs, this is the saw for you. It's incredibly lightweight and comes with a stainless steel base plate, an LED light for precision, and even a chip collector to clean up those pesky metal shavings. It cuts cold and burr-free, which is great when you're dealing with metal day in, day out. But don't mistake it for a general purpose circular saw. It's not. There's no bevel adjustment, and it's not built for woodwork or versatility. Plus, it's got a brushed motor, so performance-wise, it's still limited. Battery not included? That's another minus. If you do a lot of metal cutting, this is a great tool to have in your arsenal. But if you're working on a variety of materials or need angled cuts, hang tight. The next saws will offer a lot more range. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tool reviews like this. In the middle of our ranking, we have a classic, the Bosch CS10. This is your no-nonsense, plug-it-in-and-go circular saw with a powerful 15-amp motor and a wide bevel range that goes all the way to 56 degrees. It's perfect for framers and serious woodworkers who don't mind a cord. This saw really shines in raw power and consistency. The magnesium base plate is built tough, and it's got a dust blower to keep your line of sight clean while you cut. It feels solid and dependable, the kind of tool you want when you're cutting through thick lumber all day long. But it is heavy, and since it's corded, you lose a lot of the mobility that the newer cordless models offer. Also, some users have reported a little flex in the base plate, which can affect your cut accuracy. That's not ideal if precision is your priority. Still, if you work on site with steady access to power and value long-lasting, reliable tools, the CS10 might be your best friend. For everyone else, cordless might make more sense. Now we're talking precision. The Bosch GKT 18V-20GCL is a plunge and track saw built for clean, accurate, laser straight cuts. If you're into cabinetry, finish work, or any kind of precision woodworking, this one's gonna make your life easier. The motor is powerful, variable speed, and tuned for smooth starts and clean finishes. You get up to 5,500 RPM, a plunge mechanism for control, and an eco mode to save battery on lighter cuts. It's Bluetooth ready too, so you can connect it to Bosch's app for performance tracking. The only knock here is cutting depth. With a smaller blade, it maxes out at 2 inches, and less when beveling. You also have to buy the tracks separately, which adds to the cost if you're starting from scratch. If clean, accurate cuts are a must, this saw is a dream to work with. It's smart, efficient, and a joy to handle, especially if you're already invested in the Bosch ecosystem. At the top of the list, our champion, the Bosch GKS 18V-25CN. This is the saw that gives you almost everything: power, depth, mobility, and pro-level features. If you're looking for one tool to do it all, this is it. It cuts deep, 2.5 inches at 90 degrees, even at 50-degree bevel. You've got a 7.25-inch blade, electronic brake, a 360-degree dust port, and front bevel lock. It even works with Bosch's Bluetooth app if you want real-time diagnostics and customization. Downsides: it's a bit heavy, and some of the smart tech, like the Bluetooth module, costs extra. Also, there's no variable speed, which might matter if you're working on delicate materials. But for raw cutting power, battery performance, and versatility, it's tough to beat. Whether you're a contractor, builder, or serious DIYer, this saw will not let you down. All the top Bosch saws we reviewed today are linked below at the best prices we could find. Check them out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more real deal reviews like this one.